That's fun. This is fun. And this is the book version, The Fun Formula by Comm. And if there's ever been a group of people that needs a specific book, boy, YouTubers who so easily get hung up on chasing the numbers and the subscribers and I'm just not growing and the drama, wow, it's YouTubers. And that's why I wanted to share Joel's new book, The Fun Formula, with you. You see, I've known Joel for a long time now. I've watched him evolve as a marketer, and over the last 3 years, he's been talking about this book, and he lives it. You see, for me, money's important. Sure, we've all got to pay the bills, but what's more important is how I spend my time. I can't get that back, and having fun is really important to me. Surrounding myself with an amazing group of people, community. So do this, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to Amazon where you can order your copy of The Fun Formula, and you can have a bit of fun. You dig?